Hello, it's Gilly Kube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with some more art inspiration. This is a very minimalistic but very elegant, I found, pour. So it's just using basically three colours, so it's not quite monochromatic, but it's using the black, white and gold. So hopefully it's going to be really elegant and something that you guys would like to have a go at and try. Even my colours, so were very easy to remember if you're trying to replicate this. So to start off with, as you see, I'm going around this canvas, which is a 50 by 55 centimetre canvas, so it's a nice size to work on. And I've gone round with the black paint, not too thickly at this point, and then in the centre I'm going to smooth on the white coat, and I will show you what little magic tricks I have in store for you.
We don't have to settle down. Please don't be afraid of all the things that could go wrong. That we can take our time and we may change.
So second stage in this is I'm now using black paint only, mixed with just Australian Floetrol, because this just gives the supercells of like the bloom effect. So as part of my background inside there, I'm going to do some supercells. So as you see, it will help with the whole piece in the end being looking really elegant and simplistic. So to begin with, I've just got those very soft plastic cutouts that I've made myself, just out a piece of soft plastic file divider, and I'm giving that a swipe just along that black line. And my mistake was I didn't actually want to carry that swipe right over the black, so as you will see with my further swiping, I do stop just short of that. So but that's fine, my mistake, we all make mistakes, but you just carry on. I will correct that further along in this piece, but for the moment just very gentle swiping, and you just watch those magic cells pop up.
I ain't never felt a kind of love like this before. You took all the worries from my mind. Darling, please forgive me if I stare a little more. I can't look away from those brown eyes. And if we settle down, we don't have to settle down. Please don't be afraid of all the things that could go wrong. We can take our time and we may change our mind. But I can tell a good thing when a good thing comes along.
Oh boy, look at this starry night. Wow, what a gorgeous, gorgeous monochromatic background. I've still got big plans for this one, but so happy with that. That's gorgeous, really gorgeous. The black was the Black Amsterdam black paint mixed with Australian Floetrol. It was just over my normal acrylic paint and pouring medium, but it's gorgeous for a background. So on we go. Whether this works or not remains to be seen, but you got to give it a go, haven't you? You've got to give it a go. So I'm gonna just, my idea, I'm gonna kind of try and keep nice classic colours. I'm just gonna see how this works here. So this is my champagne gold. I'm literally maybe not even going to put anything else there with that for this minute. I'll just see. Let's just have a little squizzy how that turns out. Oh my goodness, I think I'm gonna have to save my breath for big blows now, so bear with me. Okay, I like that. I will finish that off a lot nicer, but anyway, let's get to it. I might put a little bit of, okay, this is my plan. I'll do along the bottom first, a little bit of white. Let's see how this goes. I suppose I could use my mini blower, but I think I can control it a little bit more like this. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, I like it. I love it. When I do that little balloon just in the center, it gives me some really nice petioles. So I'll swizzle it around. Oh my goodness, I like it. It's just going to take a lot of puff. I've got to see if I've got enough puff. Okay. Gilly Willy, get on with it. Okay, I might just put a little bit more along there, because now I've seen, ooh, how nice. That's all right there. I'm going to fix that up. I did get carried away there, but never mind. So this is kind of like my ghost technique. I'm still going to put the flowers around, but I'm going to do this as a sort of extra bit.
Ooh, you're getting a bit lightheaded. Oh my goodness, I'm going to put face plug down in my face, and you'll have to report. Pass that behind you to YouTube. That's, oh dear, where's my puff gone? I've got a puff. Okay, put one there. Let's do this thing.
I ain't never felt a kind of love like this before. You took all the worries from my mind. Darling, please forgive me if I stare a little more. I can't look away from those brown eyes. And if we settle down, we don't have to settle down. Please don't be afraid of all the things that could go wrong. We can take our time and we may change our mind. But I can tell a good thing when a good thing comes along. Darling, tell me all about the dreams you had last night. You can be so restless in your sleep.
The last puff, and she blew her house down. Right, let's see how I can pretty this up a little bit more with the best tool of all. It's just my little balloon. So into the center. I mean, it might look good putting a little bit of black in the center to oh. See how we go. See how we go. Flow. Yeah, that didn't. Oh, that's a beauty. Let's see if I can transfer that. Oh, look at that. Let's see where I can put that. Try wipe it off if it goes a little bit kind of splodgy. Oh my goodness, love it. Like, I love the concept of it. So when you love anything, then each time you attempt it again, you'll try to do better, which is what I definitely try to do myself. And obviously, with practice, everything becomes better. Mostly. So a few little kisses on that white wouldn't hurt to sort of soften it up a bit where I've splodged the white. It should collect some of that black underneath, and as when I bring you down, you'll see how there is some gorgeous cells appearing in the black from the white over the top. Monochromatic-ish, I'm going to call this. I'll work with those flowers. Now, do you think, maybe I do, I think I do. I might do some teeny tiny ones that are only with the balloon in the center and not with the below. Let's just try it, just so I get rid of that center line. But it's very sweet. Sweet. Okay. Not going to blow these ones, but I am going to do a balloon kiss. That champagne cell background is just divine. It really is lovely. I was looking to see if I had a bigger balloon, but they've all deflated, so I'll use my kind of this one. That way. Let's go this way. Oh yes. Oh, look at that. I want to really use that on something, but which you obviously can. Oh, that's it. It just needed those little center ones, I believe. Try and smudge that in. Look at that. Oh, let's see. Oh my goodness. I've got a perfect balloon kiss. Oh, now I want to do a body. Look at this. I've never done it on myself. Oh, I'm going to ask one of the... I want someone to lie there so I can do it all over the back. Balloon art on the back. Wow. That's a new concept, hey? Well, I'm sure, like I said, everybody's done everything. So, but that's cute. Very cute. Cutie patootie. So just having that bit of black in there, there's a little bit of... I think that is it. Oh my goodness, guys. I will bring you down. I just need to paint my very edges of canvas black. And, oh, wow. You can fiddle with it, you can go over it, you can, you know, I could sort of do some more lines in it with a skewer. But that's super duper. Really lovely. I'm real impressed with my skin balloon art. I guess if you do that with the face paints, or I mean these wash off anyway, they're acrylic water-based paints, but look at the detail in that. Somebody had actually painted that on. It couldn't have been so detailed. But let's get to this. Look at those little sweeties. They look like little angels and fireflies in the center. They're just gorgeous. I might allow the external, the ones around the edge, to dry a bit, and then I might just try and define the sweet little flowers better. But that's kind of pretty gorgeous out of just the minimalistic colours. I'm really, really happy with that. What about you? What say you? Do you like it? A yay or a nay? Look at these. See how it's gone real lacy where I just blew that white into the black? It's very nice. So I think just doing that blowout will soften the edges up better. And love, love, love this starry night. Looks like a wedding scene, a snowy wedding scene. What do you guys think? Give me your take on it. Be kind. All right, my lovelies, please take care. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Remember, if you're sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend. If not, there is a helpline waiting to absolutely help you out. Okay, bye for now.
Heaven knows I'm no perfect man. I can't take another night without you by my side. Please come home as quickly as you can. And if you settle down, we don't have to settle down. Please don't be afraid of all the things that could go wrong. We could take our time and we may change our mind. But I can tell a good thing when a good